In this video, I'll show you how to connect Hostinger domain to Systeme.io. The method is straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, connecting a Hostinger domain to Systeme.io can offer you so much advantage because for one, Systeme.io provides a comprehensive set of tools for building and managing online businesses, including email marketing, sales funnels, webinars, and more. So by connecting your Hostinger domain, you can manage all these features from a single platform, streamlining your online operations. Also, using your custom Hostinger domain with Systeme.io gives your online business a professional image. It'll help build trust with their audience and reinforces your branding. So if you don't have an account in Systeme.io, and to Hostinger, this is the perfect time you create one. Okay, so go to system.io and hostinger.com. Sign up for a free account. It's easy and fast, and then just upgrade for a better subscription if you decided to get more features. Okay, now I'm here at the dashboard of my Systeme.io. So all you gotta do is click on your profile here, go to settings. Okay, once you are in the settings, you might want to hover here at custom domains, click on custom domains. So basically I have a default domain name here, which is easyrl.system.io. all right, so we will be needing that later. Okay, then hover down to your Hostinger. Say for example, right now I don't have my domain name yet, but if you have one, you'll automatically see your domain name here in the list under the domains. All right, so basically what will happen is, if you, to connect your Hostinger domain to Systeme.io, you'll need to typically need to update your domain's DNS settings. The DNS will be seen here. All right, and then Systeme.io will provide instructions on how to do this, and Hostinger support team can assist with making the necessary DNS changes if you're having problems doing that. All right, and then you can add the domain that you created, or what the domain name which is in the Hostinger. You just want to put that in here. Say for example, and then after doing that, you need to get the DNS settings. All right, there's an error, but if you have an existing domain already in Hostinger, you have to get the DNS, and that's how you connect Hostinger domain to Systeme.io. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.